Something that is really amazing about Amazon book ads is that there are so many ways to scale. And you can see here that this ad was turned on just over a year ago and it's still running. So I'm only spending $1.59 a day for this. So I don't drink coffee, like I don't go to Starbucks. I've maybe spent like $30, it may be $70 my whole life at Starbucks. If you can figure out ways to have a budget for Amazon ads, you definitely want to. And this is a good example here that the cost per click over the course of the year has been a culmination of $229, but it's helped me sell a lot of books. And that's exactly why I developed the Bids and Budget Ad Momentum Playbook. And I'll drop a code here below. I have a coupon code for you to save a couple $100. But what I wanted to share here is that this is working while my kids are homesick today from school. This is working while I am coaching people on book ads. This is working while I'm helping other people create online offers through course creation and marketing. Okay, so this is really, really powerful. And one of the reasons it's powerful is because when I started to learn how to make money online, I learned with Facebook ads. And when you run a Facebook ad, you actually have to have creative. You have to do videos or static. You have to pitch your product. And over time, the audience gets fatigued. They're not interested. And so you have to create more creative. And it becomes this race of like creating a better video, a better static image. Now, that is not necessarily required with Amazon ads. Your book cover is now your creative. And that's really, really powerful because Amazon has 300 million annual users and 90 million monthly buyers. So it is a great, great place to advertise because it is very difficult for a book to get fatigue. Now, you guys have seen in my videos, like if I was not, let's look at this column. If I was, let's go to clicks, I'm getting impressions, and this is a wide, wide range between impressions and clicks. But it's okay because I have the profitability in my book. Okay, it's in my book. And you can see here, I'm just targeting 3 other types of targets. Okay. And this targets, you can do keywords, you can do products, and you can do categories. So as I spent the past 2 years learning book ads, I really saw that no one was talking about these advanced strategies. And I think that I was able to create over 20 new strategies that I hadn't seen before because of my Facebook ads background. So I also did an experiment where I turned down my ads to see if it would affect my organic reach, and it did. So I'm a really big proponent of running ads. And you can see here, this was $1.59. Okay. Well, and actually, it's less than that. Let's actually look because we started this in December 7th, and today we've got 361 days now. Divide 229.15. That means I've been spending $1.57 in clicks for the past year. So there are so many strategies, and I have a coupon code for you below. if you want to learn more of the strategies that I teach in the bids and budget. It's just a self-paced course. You go through it, you apply the things that you learn, and there's a lot of strategies to help you level up your game. Love you guys. Peace out.